Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Marlon with Vegas Mini Mansion. So we're here at the Margaritaville, and I just want to do a quick review on it. I think it was a nice stay. So I just made entry. So we're gonna look at the door, look at the security of the door. Everything's nice. Over here off to the right is the restroom. It has the sliding barn door. No lock. Nice glass shower. A nice soap. I like how the soap is enclosed and locked in this setting here. Of the wall decor, wicker. We have the wicker circle. We have the wicker circular mirror, which is pretty cool. Right here, we've got the fins here as you turn on your faucet. I've already stayed here 2 nights. I got a pretty good deal because there was a big storm here in San Diego, and I just caught the end of the storm. So just some advice to you: if you ever book, try to book on the day of the end of the storm, and you get a good deal on the room. Got a Keurig with some coffee, good refrigerator, some bowl and vase decor. Nice parrot lamp. Nice big size TV. Everything in here is real wood. All the tables, the beds are real wood. You have the woven chair here with leather. They have a table mat to protect the wood. Wireless charging. Plenty of charging ports. And then I'm leaving the room now, so the beds are kind of unmade, but I'm just showing you proof that I stayed here. And these wicker lamps, they provide the perfect lighting at nighttime. It really gives you that cozy feeling, especially with that wall decor when the lights are out and the lamp hits that wall. It looks very nice. Got an alarm clock. And as you can see, you have that wall paneling, which is becoming more popular. You can get these wall paneling kits now online. Just look up a wall panel kit or wall molding kits. You can do this to your own room or kitchen. And if you look at this headboard, it's pretty cool. They just hung it on those hooks. So it kind of gives you that feeling. You can create your own headboard and just hang it on the wall. That's pretty cool. Got a surfboard. This is the Margaritaville, so of course they gotta advertise the margaritas. I went and got a margarita upstairs at the pool. Well, I got 3 of them. They have frozen and on the rocks. Nice wicker chair there. And I just did a video on how to hang up curtains. So as you can see, they chose the tailor look to where it's like a 1/2 inch off the ground. And these are linen curtains. As you can see, they didn't use the hooks. So what I like about this room is you can block out the room. And I'll show you how it blocks out all the light, which is cool. Not all rooms can block out all the light. So as you can see on the edge here, it has the sleeve to trap the window treatment. So I'll close it just to show you. Blocks out all the light. So there you go. I open it up. And then we have the bedside lighting for reading. All right, guys, so I enjoyed my stay. Very nice and clean. I give this room a 9 out of a 10. Very cozy, guys. So continue to check out my channel. I'll continue to give you guys good content on good hotel rooms. If you're looking for parking for this hotel, I'll put a link in the description, not a link, but an address so you can find the perfect parking for this hotel. All right, guys. So guys, this is the room. Nice and clean. Boxing gloves.